Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and service state so you don't chase the wrong data. Sign into the iPhone with the exact Apple ID that WhatsApp used. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled because WhatsApp stores backups there. Then open WhatsApp and tap Settings right arrow Chats, right arrow Chat Backup so you can see the backup timestamp and size. Once done, note whether the backup is encrypted or not, since that affects restore options, and proceed only if the date matches the chats you need. You now locate the actual iCloud backup container. On the iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage, right arrow Backups, pick the device backup, and scan the app list for WhatsApp and its storage footprint. That confirms WhatsApp data is included. If you prefer a Mac, sign into the same Apple ID and inspect iCloud Drive or Finder's iCloud storage for mobile sync or a WhatsApp folder. This helps you verify the backup exists server-side before you attempt any restore or migration. You finish by restoring and handling common failures so you get the messages back. To restore, delete, and reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number and accept the restore prompt when it detects the iCloud backup. If the backup does not appear, make sure you're on the same Apple ID, iCloud Drive is on, and there's sufficient iCloud storage. Those are the usual blockers. If issues persist, update iOS and WhatsApp, check your network. Sign out and back into iCloud, and then retry the restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.